Welcome back. Those that have seen my previous video will have seen me digging all this scrap out of the ground as we clear the land on our Irish Smallholding as we prepare to restore the cottage. The time has come to take all this scrap down to the scrapyard and weigh it in and see if we make any money from it. Many of you commented in the last video that this old Pinto engine could be worth some money. I've had it on Done Deal and Facebook Marketplace since then. I've spoken to a friend of mine that's a mechanic. He actually has a Mark II Ford Escort, and I've had no interest whatsoever. So unfortunately, it's going to have to be weighed in with the rest of it. To get it down to the scrapyard, I'm going to have to put it in a horse trailer. Ideally, I'd like to put it on a flatbed pickup, but just don't have one, and don't know anybody in the area with one. So load it up into the horse trailer, and away we go. Well, that's it in. That was hard work. Dragging it through the mud there was good fun, especially the engine. You'll notice that I tried to get it in the wheelbarrow and then gave up. Just rolled it after that. I have got some more scrap up the other end, old washing machines and stuff like that came out of the house, so let's go and move them as well. There is some bits that I'm keeping. Those bits of copper there, I'll keep until I take all the copper piping out of the house and weigh them in separately. Let's get it loaded. And that's the last of it. Scores on the doors. Scrap price at the moment is 130 euros per tonne, and we had just over a tonne, giving us 160 euros. And to us, that is another 10 tonnes of gravel for our lane. Or, as is now the case, I'm going straight to the timber yard to buy a load of wood to make some chicken coops. And I may do a video about making those, or probably once they're made, so I can just get on and do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all again next time.